Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on my video. My name is Brooke. What's up? So today I'm going to be making a Tres Leches iced latte because it sounds really good and I figured I should record it, right? So I'm going to give you a little spiel. If you don't want to hear the spiel, you can skip ahead because I know people click on these videos and they don't care about my yapping. So you can skip ahead, okay? Don't complain about it. Skip ahead. Thank you so much. Now if you're still here, I am feeling kind of funky, but I want to get back into like my hobby, which is YouTube. I started YouTube so long ago, 7 years ago, 8 years ago. I posted like a makeup tutorial, and then from there I kind of grew out of it and I stopped posting makeup tutorials. And then I posted a coffee video and I started posting my coffee recipes, and from there is where I got most of my subscribers. Saying that, I don't have that many subscribers, I'm aware, relax, but that's where I got the majority of my subscribers. And then I got married and I had a baby and I kind of fell off of it. Life just kind of happened and I stopped posting for like 3 years, and it makes me sad looking at my old videos and like how much effort I would put into them and interacting with people and just like the little community that I had. It makes me sad that I have kind of like left it alone. It's just been dormant. So I'm trying to get back into it. If you're interested in that, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know you watched it, because it helps. You know, this is kind of awkward for me. I feel kind of funky and fresh and like kind of weird, you know, but I'm trying. So my channel is gonna be full of like coffee recipes, vlogs, some workout stuff, living life. This is my hobby and I miss doing it. I miss putting effort into things and creating, and this is my outlet, like my creative outlet. Working out is like my like anxiety, like therapy outlet, and YouTube is my creative outlet. I enjoy editing videos, I enjoy recording videos. While I feel kind of funky right now, bear with me. It's gonna get better. I'm gonna find my footing and things are gonna get better. They're gonna get better. We're only up from here, baby. Only up from here. But yeah, all that being said, thank you so much for watching. And if you're still subscribed to me after all this time, I just want to say thank you for subscribing to me, because I know that like I've left y'all in the dark for a while and I do appreciate it. So that's all. Let's get into this recipe, this coffee video, this little coffee recipe video. Hopefully it comes out good. I don't have a ring light anymore and I used to use that, so I'm going to do my best with the lighting that I do have. It's going to be good quality. We're going to make it work. Tres Leches iced latte. Let's get it. Alright, so a Tres Leches cake is made with whole milk, evaporated milk, and condensed milk. I double checked and looked it up because I didn't want to be wrong on the facts and get got on the internet. Okay, but those are the ingredients. So I'm thinking I'm going to use like a tablespoon of condensed milk, a little bit of evaporated milk, and then majority whole milk, because I feel like if I use too much of this, it's going to be a little too thick, and then that doesn't seem like the vibe. But we're going to figure it out together. Let's get this going. Okay, so a serving of condensed milk is like 39 grams. I think I'm going to do maybe half of that because I don't want it to be too sweet. If you like super sweet coffee, maybe do the full serving, but we're not going to do that right now. We're going to do like 18 grams, maybe a little more, maybe 20. Come on. Also, my espresso machine is like making weird noises, so if you hear that, I'm so sorry. Okay, we're gonna do 22 grams of the condensed milk. And we're gonna brew our shot directly over the condensed milk. Like, this is not, you know what I mean? It's doing nothing for nobody. 'Cause. But if I don't put it literally right up to it, it goes everywhere. Goodbye. Look at how cute this spoon is. Okay, I like a lot of ice, but that's kind of personal preference. And I like to pour my espresso over the ice directly. I know some people are going to say that it'll shock your espresso. I'm not really worried about it. I like my espresso to kind of water down the ice. Again, that's like personal preference. So if you want to put your milk first, by all means, girly, put it first. I'm not stressed out, you know? Don't stress, it's okay. We all like things differently. I'm gonna go in with the whole milk first, I think. And I'm gonna do maybe like 200 milliliters. Maybe a little less. I might do like 170. We'll see here. No, we're gonna do 200. Okay. 205 to be exact milliliters of whole milk. Now we're going to go in with the evaporated milk. And we're going to do maybe like 30 milliliters as a serving. So let's try that and see. Okay, we're going to do 37 milliliters of evaporated milk in there. Okay, girl? Okay. I'm working with the natural lighting. It's not doing anything for me. If you like a lot of ice, you know. And if you don't, well, put less, you know? We're going to try her together. I know it's a lot of ice, but I just like, it makes me feel like I'm drinking more, so I like to put a lot of ice. That's good. That's good. I think that if you like sweeter coffee, maybe add more condensed milk because it's not that sweet. But it's really good. It's very creamy. Yeah. I hope you guys liked it. I hope that it was fun to watch and it was reminiscent of my older videos. So I enjoyed filming it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment letting me know that you watched it, and let me know if you guys want to see other coffee recipes or any other kinds of videos you guys want to see. Let me know. That's all. Thank you so much for watching.